Hi, today we are going to learn how to solve quadratic equation by factoring. We want to do the best and easiest way today. So first, to solve quadratic equation by factoring. So we need to factor this one. When you factor trinomial, so everything's one side and then the other side should be 0. So what I'm saying, this one, let's move the other side. So x squared minus 7x minus 10, move the other side, plus 10. And right side 0. So right side 0, everything, and then should be one side should be 0. And how about this one? This one, same thing, 3x squared. This is minus x, move the other side, plus x, and minus 4 equals 0. I write it descending order. Okay? And then only trinomial, when you factor it, there's two types. One is leading coefficient number in front of x squared right there. Doesn't have anything, that's 1. So leading coefficient 1 or not 1. Okay, there's two types. And so leading coefficient 1 is easier, so let's solve that first. To do that first, x squared, we factor it, x squared is x times x right here. Now, plus 10, the constant sum, plus 10, because we're going to find two numbers. When you multiply, become plus 10. When you add it, become minus 7. So from negative 10 factor of those, let's find it. So 1 and 10 is 1 factors, right? And 2 and 5. And there's no more, right? So among those, this plus means when you add it, become minus 7. Okay? So the sum is 7. This is sum is 11. This is sum is 7. So we're going to take this one. But minus 7, then minus 2, minus 5. So minus 2, minus 5, multiply, become plus 10, and then sum is minus 7. So we factor this way with the parenthesis, x minus 2, x minus 5 equal 0. Right? We factor it. So a times b equals 0, then now what? A equals 0 or b equals 0. So x minus 2 equals 0 or x minus 5 equals 0. So from here, x equals 2 or x equals 5. That's the answer of this equation. Okay, how about when leading coefficient not 1? This is 3. And there are several ways, but easiest way I want to show you now. When you do that, let's make this leading coefficient 1. So I constant right here, negative 4. I'm going to multiply this 3 here. So I give this 3 here. So x squared and x. 3 times negative 4, that's negative 12. Now leading coefficient 1, right? Then we can factor easily with the same way. So x here. Now negative 12 is a constant term. So we want to find factor of negative 12. So 1 and 12, and 2 and 6, 3 and 4. Among those, when this is negative, then difference should be plus, nothing means 1. Should be difference should be 1. Difference 11, difference 4. Yeah, this is difference is 1. But difference plus 1, so this is plus 4 and minus 3, that difference is plus 1. So minus 3 plus 4. So that means we factor it like that. X minus 3, x plus 4. So x minus 3 times x plus 4. Now, because we multiply 3 to negative 4, so that's why I make negative 12. So now this time, this constant sum, we divide by the number we multiply, which is 3. So 3 here, 3 here, right? So if we divide by 3, then this one we can write it x, 3 divided by 3 is 1, so x minus 1, this x plus 4 over 3. But still not, if you multiply, still not become this. So this constant term is fraction, then let's make this one a whole number. That means denominator 3, we're going to multiply here and here. So this becomes x minus 1 and 3x plus 4. Now, this is a factoring of these two factors. So, to solve equation a times b equals 0, again, a equals 0, which is, in this case, x equals 1 here. and or 3x plus 4 equals 0, that means x equals, move here, minus 4 over 3. That's our final answer.